Hi all, welcome to my another video on profit, loss and discount. This is for exercise 9C, Selena Conscience Mathematics, class 7, and my name is Sridevi, and in case you have any doubts or questions, you can mention it in my comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, question 1. A machine is marked at rupees 5,000 and is sold at a discount of 10%. Find the selling price of the machine. Very easy. What is the mark price? Mark price is equal to 5,000. Discount is equal to 10%. Discount is equal to discount percent into marked price by 100. That is the formula. Therefore, 10 into 5,000 by 100. When you simplify, you get discount is equal to 500. Therefore, what is the selling price? Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Therefore, that is equal to 5,000 minus 500. Therefore, the selling price is equal to 4,500. Therefore, the selling price of the machine is rupees 4,500. Hope this is clear. Question 2. Shopkeeper marked a dinner set for rupees 1,000. He sold it at rupees 900. What is the percent discount did he give? Mark price is equal to rupees 1,000. Selling price is equal to 900. Therefore, discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. That is equal to rupees 1,000 minus 900. That is equal to rupees 100. So, the formula for discount is nothing but mark price minus selling price. Therefore, the discount percentage is equal to discount by marked price into 100%. That is equal to 100 by 1,000 into 100. That is equal to 10%. Therefore, the discount percent is equal to 10%. Let's move on to question number 3. A pair of shoes marked at rupees 320 are sold at a discount of 15%. Find the discount and find the selling price of the shoe. What is the mark price? The mark price is rupees 320. Discount is equal to 15%. So therefore, the discount is equal to discount percent into mark price by 100. That is equal to 15 into 320 by 100. That is equal to discount is equal to 3 into 32 by 2. That is equal to 48. Therefore, the discount is equal to rupees 48. Therefore, now what is the selling price? Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. That is equal to 320 minus 48. That is equal to selling price is equal to 272. Therefore, the selling price of the shoe is equal to 272. Therefore, the discount is 48 rupees and the selling price of the shoes is 272. Now, let's quickly move on to question number 4. The list price of the article is rupees 450 and is sold for rupees 360. Find the discount and discount percentage. So, mark price is equal to 450. Selling price is equal to 360. Therefore, discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. That is equal to 450 minus 360. That is equal to 90 rupees. Therefore, the discount amount is equal to 90 rupees. We have now found out the discount amount. Let's find out the discount percent. Discount percent is equal to discount by mark price into 100. Discount by mark price into 100. That is equal to 90 by 450 into 100. That is equal to 20%. Therefore, the discount percent is equal to 20%. Isn't it easy? Yes, it is very easy. Let's quickly move on to question number 5. A shopkeeper buys an article for rupees 300. He increases the price by 20% and then gives 10% discount on the new price. Find first one, the new price, that is the mark price of the article. So, new price, that is the mark price is MP is equal to 300 plus 20% of 300. Therefore, the mark price is equal to 300 plus 20 by 100. That is equal to into 300. That is equal to 300 plus 60. That is equal to 360. Therefore, the new price of the article is rupees 360. The discount given by the shopkeeper. So, mark price is equal to 360. Discount percent is equal to 10%. Therefore, discount is equal to discount percent into mark price by 100. Therefore, 10 into 360 by 100, that is equal to 36. Therefore, the discount amount is equal to rupees 36. What is the next one that they are asking? The selling price. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. That is equal to rupees 360 minus 36. That is equal to rupees 324. Therefore, the selling price is equal to rupees 324. What is the next one? Profit percent made by the shopkeeper. Selling price is equal to 324. Cost price is equal to 300. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is equal to 324 minus 300. Therefore, the profit is equal to rupees 24. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. That is equal to 24 by 300 into 100. That is equal to 8%. Therefore, the profit percent is equal to 8%. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to question number 6. A car is marked at rupees 50,000. The dealer gives 5% discount on the first rupees 20,000 and 2% discount on the remaining 30,000. Find the total discount, the price charged by the dealer. So if the mark price is 20,000, the discount will be 5%. If the mark price is 30,000, the discount percent will be 2%. So we'll find discount 1. That is equal to discount 1% into mark price of 1 into by 100. That is equal to 5 into 20,000 by 100. That is equal to rupees 1000. Therefore, the discount on the first batch is equal to 1000. Discount 2 is equal to discount 2% into mark price 2 by 100. Therefore, 2 into 30,000 by 100. Therefore, the discount will be rupees 600. Therefore, discount on the second batch is equal to 600. What is the total discount? Discount 1 plus discount 2, that is 1000 plus 600, that is equal to rupees 1600. Therefore, the total discount is equal to 1600. Now, mark price is equal to 20,000. Discount for first batch is 1000. Mark price of the second batch is equal to 30,000. Discount for the second batch is rupees 600. Therefore, selling price is equal to mark price of the first batch minus the discount of the first batch, that is equal to 20,000 minus 1000, that comes to 9,000. Selling price of batch 2 will be mark price of batch 2 minus discount of batch 2, that is equal to 30,000 minus 600, that comes to 29,400. Therefore, the total selling price is equal to selling price of first batch plus selling price of second batch, that is equal to 19,000 plus 29,400, that is equal to 48,400. Therefore, the total selling price is equal to 48,400. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to question number 7. A dealer buys a TV set for rupees 2,500. He marks it at rupees 3,200 and then gives a discount of 10% on it. Find the selling price of the TV set, the profit percent made by the dealer. Cost price of the TV set is equal to 2,500. Mark price is equal to 3,200. Rate of discount is equal to 10%. Therefore, discount is equal to discount percent into mark price by 100. That is equal to 10 into 3,000 by 100. That is equal to rupees 320. Therefore, discount is equal to 320. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount, that is rupees 3,200 minus 320, that is equal to rupees 2,880. Therefore, selling price of the TV set is equal to rupees 2,880. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 2,880 minus rupees 2,500. Therefore, profit is equal to rupees 380. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost price into 100. that is 380 by 2500 into 100, that is profit percent is equal to 380 by 25, that is equal to 15.2%. Therefore, profit percent is equal to 15.2%. Let's quickly move on to question number 8. A sells is goods at 15% discount. Find the price of the article which is sold at rupees 680. Okay, mark price of the article is rupees X. Selling price is equal to rupees 680. Discount percent is equal to 15%. Therefore, discount is equal to mark price minus selling price, that is X minus 680. Therefore, mark price is equal to discount by discount percent into 100%, that is X is equal to X minus 680 by 15 into 100, that is 15X is equal to 100X minus 68,000. Therefore, 85X is equal to 68,000. That is X is equal to 68,000 by 85. That is X is equal to 800. Therefore, the mark price of the article is equal to rupees 800. Hope this is clear. Quickly moving on to question number 9. A shopkeeper allows 20% discount of the marked price of his articles. Find the marked price of an article for which he charges rupees 560. Let the marked price of an article is equal to rupees X. Selling price is equal to 560. Discount percent is equal to 20%. Therefore, discount is equal to mark price minus selling price, that is equal to X minus 560. Therefore, mark price is equal to discount by discount percent into 100%. That is X is equal to X minus 560 into 100. Sorry, X minus 560 by 20 into 100. That is 20X is equal to 100X minus 56,000. Therefore, 80X is equal to 56,000. X is equal to 56,000 by 80. Therefore, X is equal to rupees 700. Therefore, mark price of the article is rupees 700. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to question number 10. Question number 10. An article is bought for rupees 1200 and rupees 100 is spent on its transportation, etc. Find the total cost price of the article, the selling price of it in order to gain 20% of the whole. Therefore, amount for buying the article is equal to rupees 1200. Amount spent on transport is equal to 100. Therefore, cost price will be 1200 plus 100, that is equal to rupees 1300. Therefore, total cost price of the article is equal to rupees 1300. Gain percent is equal to 20%. Gain is equal to gain percent by 100 into cost price, that is equal to 20 by 100 into 1300, that is equal to 260. Gain is equal to rupees 260. Selling price is equal to cost price plus gain. Therefore, selling price is equal to 1300 plus 260, that is equal to rupees 1560. Therefore, selling price of the article is rupees 1560. Hope this is clear. I end my video with 10 questions. The remaining questions from 11 to 15, I shall solve it in the next video. So, thank you for watching my video, and in case if you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.